Welcome, today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Pro, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here sound, vibration and silent mode. You can just switch them by this way. Here we can also see the volume panels, the ringtone, notification, alarm, media and calls volume panels. We can change them just by hold and swipe to the left or to the right side with our finger, that's white dots. Also we have here the default volume button control. Now by press the power up or down volume button, we can change our device medias, and also we can switch it to change the ringtone with the volume buttons. Also we can change here ringtone notification sounds. We can turn on or turn off don't disturb modes, and in more settings we can activate the dial pad tones, default, or to set the melody, or also we can activate or turn off screen lock and lock sounds, screenshots sounds, screen touches sounds by just click on each of the switchers. And also we can activate or turn on vibration when device ringing, and to activate the system haptics here. And if you want, you can also activate the wireless emergency alerts here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.